What's the meaning of army? Army. Army.
Army. Army. Army refers to a large organized group of military personnel, typically from a country's land-based armed forces. These men and women are trained and equipped to engage in combat on behalf of their nation or government. The purpose of an army can vary, but generally it exists to protect the territorial integrity and national security interests of the state it serves. In modern times, armies have also been utilized for peacekeeping missions and disaster relief efforts, as well as offensive and defensive operations in times of war.